Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to DeezyVision. Welcome to my pre-birthday vlog. I'll be celebrating my 39th birthday tomorrow, and I'm just blessed and happy to be alive to celebrate. We're gonna be heading to the store first thing this morning because there's some things that we gotta pick up because McJo promised that she's gonna make me this 2-layer cookie cake for my birthday. Wanted to try something a little different, you know. Most times when you get a cake for your birthday, it's the traditional birthday cake, but I want to try something a little different this year. And you know, McJo is the cookie specialist of the Bahamas, and so she promised that she's going to make me this 2-layer cookie cake. So we're gonna head over to the store to pick up some ingredients to make that cake. So come along with us, let's go. So we're out here at the store, came to see if we can get some ingredients to make the birthday cookie cake. So let's head on in the store, see what we can find. Okay, so we're gonna get these chocolate chip Premier White. So this year for my birthday, I opted for a cookie cake instead of a regular cake. Because you know, McJo's a baker, she owns McJo's Cookie Treats. If you want to know more about McJo's Cookie Treats, you can check the link in the description section. Let's head to the next aisle. Yeah, we're gonna grab us a cake mix. Which one is that? Party Rainbow Chip, super moist. This should be good.
So we're going to do a cookie, cake batter cookie cake. Cake batter cookie cake.
Of course, you gotta grab you some eggs. You can't bake without your eggs. Very important ingredients. Okay, gonna grab us some butter. Okay, so we just needed those few items. Everything else we have, so we can get to making my birthday cookie cake. Like I said, I opted for something different this year, and McJo is going to be making me a 2-layer cookie cake, so really looking forward to that. Okay, so I'm back from the store, and I also did some additional errands before I came back home. So, you know, like I mentioned earlier, I'll be celebrating my birthday tomorrow, and you know, this year, because of, you know, the global situation, there are still some restrictions here in the Bahamas. So this year, you know, I won't be able to celebrate how I would like to, but you know, still got to make the best out of the day. Now, the restrictions that we have still in place here in the Bahamas, there's still a 10 p.m. curfew, and so that means that, you know, won't be able to, you know, go out at night and, you know, really enjoy yourself because of the curfew. Also, restaurants cannot do indoor dining as yet, only outdoor dining, curbside service, and so that cuts out going to a restaurant at night and, you know, really being able to enjoy the night as, you know, some of us traditionally do on our birthdays. There are some other restrictions in place too that will kind of affect, you know, being able to go out and really, you know, celebrate how I'm used to celebrating. But like I said, I'm still going to make the best of the day. So what I decided to do is I decided that everything that we eat and stuff like that, we're going to make it. And so I've got a hanger steak that's waiting to be cut up and seasoned. McJo is going to be making the 2-layer cookie cake. There's some other places that we want to check out that will be open in the day, but you'll have to tune into the birthday vlog to see exactly what I'm talking about. But like I said, we're going to make the best of the day. I'm going to do what I can, and you know, I'm actually looking forward to, you know, celebrating my birthday this way. You know, even though there are restrictions in place and I can't do everything that I want to do, I'm still looking forward to celebrating and, you know, just having a good time. So I was heading back out, and as I was riding, I saw this park, and it made me think, and it kind of reminded me, you know, about being a kid. Like, do you remember, like, when you were a kid, you were excited to go to the park? Like, you couldn't wait to get on the swing and the slide and the seesaw and the monkey bars. You remember that? I wanted to show you all how beautiful day it is out here in Nassau. Nice and breezy out here too. Okay, so I know that I was telling you all about McJos. I snuck into the McJos Workshop and caught her working on some stuff. This isn't for me, but this is for someone else, but this is an order that she had. And this is some of the amazing work that she does. So like I said, you can check in the description section if you want to check out her page and see what else she has to offer. I snuck into McJo's kitchen. Heard she's making a cookie cake batter, so here I am getting in the way. Watching her put this batter together. Well, that's it for today's video, and it's always a pleasure to have you come along with me. Now, if you enjoyed today's video, make sure you hit the thumbs up button because it really helps the channel. And don't forget to check out all of the links that I've left in the description section. I'll see you in the next video. But before I do, I need y'all to do me a favor.